Mix Auto Design here. Today we're going to show you how to install your Chevy badge overlay on any Chevy vehicle. This specifically is for Chevy Cruze. So what's included in this kit is both front and rear. And Justin here is going to show you exactly what to do.
First off, you want to make sure you clean and prep your surface. We use a compound of water and rubbing alcohol. Any cleaner is really fine. Next, what you want to do is take your rectangle and peel it off. Then just sort of put it over. And then what you want to do is start in the center. Found this works the best. Just kind of massage it out with your finger until you get the rough center done. Then you want to take your squeegee, or in your case, credit card works just fine. You want to go through, you want to press it into the seam, into the little gap between the two pieces of your bow tie.
Doing so will allow for a cleaner cut.
Yes. Just take your time, work around. If you do end up with a bubble somewhere, you can just grab it. You can peel it up back a little bit and hold it up while you press it down. Alright, so now with the grooves in place, you want to take a razor blade, and I found it's best to start right up here and just kind of give it slight pressure until it slips into the gap, and then just keep going all the way around. Be careful not to put too much pressure on it, especially in the corners, or else you can mark up your chrome. Now, with your cuts made, just grab your piece and slowly peel it back, making sure that none of it gets pulled up. And if you do miscut somewhere, it's fine, like right there. Just take your time and make sure it's soft. Now, to clean it up around the corners, just take your credit card, your ID, or your squeegee again. Just push the corners in. And there you go.
Same process applies for the front. Visit www.mixedautodesign.com and email sales@mixedautodesign.com with any questions.